If you're constantly commuting, traveling for work, or exploring new destinations, keeping your essential tech organized is just as important as carrying it. In this video, we're showcasing 8 innovative modular EDC pouches designed to help efficient commuters and global travelers stay organized, protect their gear, and access everything they need without the hassle of tangled cables or cluttered bags. From premium organizers like the PGYTECH pouch and the Bellroy Tech Kit, to budget-friendly solutions that maximize storage and portability, these pouches are built to make every journey smoother and more organized. Number 1. My bag exploded again, chargers everywhere, and I was late. Cables knotted like enemies, power bank vanished into the chaos. I dumped everything out, searching desperately for one tiny adapter. Then came the worst part. My laptop charger was missing. I panicked. Travel days already feel ruthless enough. My backpack looked organized outside, but inside, pure disaster. Every trip ended with tangled wires and wasted minutes. I needed a hero, not another random pouch. Then I found tomtoc's electronic organizer travel case. At first glance, it looked compact and almost suspiciously simple. But inside, 2 smart compartments changed everything instantly. One pouch, everything chargers, cords, earbuds, power bank, all secured. No more digging, no more cable rage, no more loss. The structured design keeps every item visible and reachable. Even my MacBook charger fits without fighting for space. Its 1 8-liter capacity feels small, yet unbelievably efficient. I slipped in cables, accessories, keys, even daily pens. Suddenly, my chaos became a clean, portable system. And the water-resistant exterior? A quiet shield against travel accidents. It's crafted from sustainable rPET 600D polyester, impressively durable. PFAS-free materials make it safer for everyday use too. This is practical organization with a responsible edge. The pouch stands upright on my desk like a pro. It slides perfectly into my backpack, tote, or handbag. Now every essential has a place, and every trip feels calmer. No frantic searches, no tangled mess, no last-minute panic. Just grab, go, and stay ready everywhere. For travelers, tech users, and organizers, this is the upgrade. tomtoc makes everyday carry smarter, cleaner, and far less stressful. Get yours now. And finally, tame the cable chaos. Number 2. A tiny black pouch lands on the desk like a reveal. One zip opens, and chaos suddenly feels beautifully arranged. Cables, chargers, pens, cards, everything finds its own lane. The origami-style layout turns clutter into clean visual order. No digging, no tangles, just instant access. Soft pockets cradle small essentials with deliberate precision. Elastic loops hold SD cards, pens, and adapters securely. Every item stays visible, protected, and ready to grab. The clamshell opening feels like a portable workstation unfolding. Travel mode begins with one smooth, satisfying motion. Inside, your gear is staged like a perfectly lit set. No more mystery pockets. No more forgotten cables. An external zip pocket hides a clever charging shortcut. Pass a cable through while the power bank stays inside. Charge on the move without unpacking your entire setup. That's everyday convenience, upgraded with smart engineering. Grab handles, make quick exits, feel effortless and intentional. From commute to flight, it stays fast and accessible. The weatherproof recycled nylon canvas handles daily rough use. Rain, spills, and travel stress meet a tougher barrier. Durable zips and coated lining add another layer of confidence. It protects your essentials without adding bulk or fuss. Black, sleek, structured, minimal, outside, maximum function within, built for tech users who value order and design equally, perfect for travelers, commuters, and everyday carry enthusiasts. A pouch that makes organization feel surprisingly premium. Peak design turns storage into a smarter daily ritual. Innovative, weatherproof, and ready for wherever you roam. Upgrade your carry. Keep your tech sharp and sorted. Choose the PGYTECH pouch today. Number 3. In a chaotic travel bag, cables tangle like wild vines. Then one sleek black organizer slides into frame. Half open at 90 degrees, It answers with one-handed ease, a quick flick. And essentials reveal themselves instantly. Chargers, cords, and adapters finally stand in formation. No digging, no mess, no wasted airport minutes. Now watch the full open 108. The case opens flat, maximizing every inch inside. Like a portable command center for your tech life. CF cards, SD cards, TF cards, and IDs fit securely. Photographers get instant access to critical memory storage. Cables, power banks, mice, and headphones find their place. Even hard drives stay organized and easy to grab. Compact outside, surprisingly spacious inside. Travel efficiency redefined. At just 0.75 pounds, it disappears into your carry-on. Its refined size feels built for modern mobile creators. Splash-proof fabric shields against sudden spills and weather. Shock-resistant construction helps protect fragile gear on the move. Wear-resistant materials keep up with constant travel demands. The sturdy zipper delivers long-lasting confidence every day. 3 times more durable than ordinary zippers, it endures. A hidden pocket adds discreet storage and peace of mind. Side attachment points let you add a shoulder strap. Carry it your way by hand or over the shoulder. Minimalist, professional, and always ready for the next trip. From office desk to boarding gate, it stays sharp. For photographers, travelers, and tech users, it just works. Organize smarter, move lighter, and protect what matters most. PGYTECH, Travel Tech Organizer. Your portable order upgraded. Get organized now and travel with confidence. Number 4. Tired of tangled cables taking over your bag? Meet the FYY Travel Cable Organizer Pouch. First reason, everything stays neat, visible, and easy. Double layers give you 8 smart storage compartments. Mesh pockets hold chargers, cords, earbuds, and USB drives. No more digging around for one missing cable. Second reason, compact size, big everyday convenience. It measures just 7.5 by 4.3 by 2.2 inches. Lightweight enough for backpacks, handbags, and laptop bags. Perfect for travel, office days, and quick commutes. Third reason, protective design keeps essentials safe. Water-resistant Oxford fabric helps guard against unexpected splashes. Soft sponge lining adds extra cushioning for your gadgets. The hard shell style keeps everything secure and organized. A smooth zipper makes opening and closing effortless. The hand strap makes carrying simple and comfortable. Pack your charging cords, power bank, and phone. Store earbuds, flash drives, adapters, and small accessories too. It is built for travelers, office workers, and tech users. Also great for keeping your desk clutter-free at home. Use it daily, or take it on business trips. Longer cables fit best in the larger compartments. Short cords stay perfectly placed in the mesh pockets. That means smarter storage for different cable sizes. Everything has a place, so packing becomes faster, and unpacking feels just as easy. Small in size, big on organization power. If you hate messy cables, this is your fix. Grab yours and upgrade your everyday carry today. Tap now and keep your tech essentials in order. Number 5. Tired of digging through your bag for tiny gadgets? Meet UGREEN, the organizer that brings order instantly. Charge cords, earbuds, SD cards, all in one place. No more tangled mess, lost accessories, or travel frustration. First reason, smart all-in-one storage saves serious time. Everything gets its own spot, neat and easy to find. The center zip pocket keeps SD cards secure. Divided slots hold USB sticks, hard drives, and adapters. Your essentials stay organized, even on busy days. Second reason, durable build protects your gear on the move. Made with premium polyester and sturdy, reliable zippers. Splash-resistant fabric helps defend against unexpected spills. Soft padding adds extra protection for delicate electronics. Pack it once and trust it every trip. Third reason, compact design makes daily carry effortless. It slips easily into backpacks, luggage, or commute bags. Lightweight, portable, and always ready for quick travel. Perfect for business trips, school, office, or weekend getaways. This is the pouch tech lovers actually use every day. It keeps cables, chargers, power banks, and earbuds together. No more messy drawers or last-minute packing stress. Just grab the case and go with confidence. If you value convenience, protection, and portability, this is it. UGREEN makes your accessories easier to manage everywhere. A cleaner bag means a smoother, faster routine. A safer case means better protection for your gear. A compact organizer means less clutter, more freedom. Ready to upgrade your everyday carry? Choose UGREEN and organize smarter starting today. Get yours now and travel lighter, neater, better. Number 6. Hold up, this tiny pouch might replace my messy tech bag. Today, I'm unboxing Bellroy's Tech Kit, and it looks premium, compact, clean, and honestly, way sleeker than typical organizers. It's made for chargers, cables, power banks, and small essentials. The first thing I notice is the folio-style opening. It folds out flat, so everything is visible instantly. No more digging around for one charging cable. Inside, the layout feels surprisingly smart and well considered. The magnetic slip pocket is perfect for a power bank. Stretch mesh pockets hold earbuds, adapters, and random little bits. The floating wall with elastic organizers keeps cables locked in. That means less tangling, less clutter, and less frustration. I like how quickly I can grab what I need. This really feels designed for real everyday use. Travelers will appreciate the compact footprint in backpacks. Students can keep chargers and study gear together. Professionals get a cleaner, more efficient work setup. The recycled woven fabric also feels durable and refined. It's water-resistant too, which adds peace of mind. I wouldn't baby this in a commute or suitcase. Its size is compact, but storage is impressively efficient. At 5 by 9 by 2.8 inches, it fits easily. That balance of form and function is what stood out. It doesn't just store tech, it makes access faster. And the minimalist Bellroy look is genuinely easy to like. If your accessories are always scattered, this solves that. If you want flashy storage, this probably isn't for you. But if you want organized, portable, and polished, absolutely. For travel, work, or school, this is a strong pick. I'd recommend it to anyone tired of messy cables. Clean design, smart pockets, and very practical every day. Honestly, this one makes tech organization feel effortless. Number 7. The terminal buzzed, and my bag exploded with tangled cables. Phones, chargers, earbuds, and adapters fought for space again. Then I found the Pelican Traveler Tech Organizer. Its rugged black shell felt built for real journeys. Multiple compartments finally gave every accessory a home. Mesh pockets kept everything visible at a glance. The Velcro cable wrap tamed my longest charging cords. No more digging through a messy travel pouch. Outside, the weather-resistant weave shrugged off airport splashes. Rubberized zipper pulls moved smoothly, even with rushed hands. The padded exterior gave me confidence against sudden drops. Inside, compression-molded neoprene added grip and extra protection. Then I noticed the hidden AirTag compartment. That tiny detail made losing gear feel impossible. My phone stayed powered through the external cord pass-through. I could charge without opening the whole case. At the gate, I reached for one bag only. Cables, power bank, and AirPods were exactly where expected. That kind of order saves time every single day. On business trips, it keeps my essentials instantly ready. During commutes, it slips easily into my routine. For weekend escapes, it protects gear without extra bulk. Lightweight construction makes carrying feel effortless, never cumbersome. Pelican's reputation for rugged protection shows in every detail. It feels premium, practical, and ready for anything. Even packed full, it stays compact and balanced. That matters when every minute and inch counts. Now my tech travel routine feels calm, not chaotic. Everything is protected, organized, and within easy reach. If you travel often, this organizer deserves your bag. Pelican Traveler Tech Organizer, my go-to for secure, effortless carry. Number 8. Most people toss cables into one bag and hope. Then chargers tangle, cards vanish, and devices get scratched. I recommend organizing tech like gear, not loose clutter, because small accessories need protection, structure, and fast access. This Smazrob Electronics Organizer travel case does all three. Its water-resistant polyester helps shield essentials from daily spills. The material also resists scratches and stays lightweight. That matters when you carry cables everywhere. Inside, the main compartment fits power banks and larger chargers. A dedicated stylus slot keeps slim tools from disappearing. 5 elastic bands hold cords securely in place. 5 mesh pockets, separate adapters, earbuds, and memory cards. You also get 4 card holders for quick organization, and a waterproof zipper pocket protects important items. The padded interior adds another layer against bumps, so your devices stay safer in backpacks and luggage. There is even a front zipper pocket for your phone. That makes frequently used items easy to reach. The handle improves carry comfort during commutes and trips. Molle straps add extra hanging options for accessories. From business travel to office storage, it stays practical. At 10 by 3 by 6 inches, it travels easily. Yet the layout still feels surprisingly spacious. In testing-style use, cables stop tangling immediately. Chargers remain separated, visible, and ready to grab. That saves time when moving between meetings or airports. It also keeps desks cleaner at home. For travelers and tech users, that efficiency is valuable. If you want safer, smarter storage, choose Smazrob, a compact organizer that protects, sorts, and travels with you. That wraps up our list of 8 innovative modular EDC pouches that combine smart organization, durability, and travel-friendly design for today's commuters and frequent travelers. Whether you're carrying charging cables, power banks, cameras, or everyday essentials, the right organizer can save time, reduce stress, and keep your gear protected wherever you go. If you found this roundup helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone looking to upgrade their travel EDC setup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next gear review.